Chris 6 News at noon continues.
Well, good noontime, everybody. We're sort of waiting for the storm to develop. We are sort of between systems right now, but it's something that we all need to get ready for. Remember, yesterday we had massive flooding in Houston and in Austin, so much of central Texas is already saturated. We've had pretty good rain as well, so anything that falls on top of that is going to be runoff. Well, now, right about here, we're expecting a storm system to develop overnight. We've already had a couple of little showers, but as the area of low pressure arrives, we'll start seeing big storms that develop right along the Laredo I-35 corridor and then move into our area. I'm thinking that by midnight, we're going to be looking at some thunder showers. Already, we've got a little thunder activity just south of Pleasanton, San Antonio, but more are developing out here, and this is the ripe feeder area. We've got the Gulf moisture, we've got the mountains for lifting, and then we've got the area of low pressure arriving. So because of that impending rain coming over saturated grounds, we have everybody is under a flash flood watch that is all the way through Saturday evening. So that means all of the Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So 2.5 days. So from the Claiborne County area to San Antonio to Houston and everybody east are looking for what could be a big, several rounds of very heavy rain. Now the first one is moving away, but we're waiting for the second one to develop. And here's the low that's actually going to travel very rapidly under this whole system. You can see how the winds are basically taken in that area. And that is going to allow for all of the weather to develop over the region, giving us some cause for pause. Now, we are already under a slight threat of severe weather for our area, and that's for tonight. Okay, tonight, remember, tonight's thunderstorms around midnight. And then tomorrow, most of the severe weather rolls eastward. Now, here's what I'm trying to say. We will continue on the rain opportunity, but these are going to be slow-moving thunderstorms dropping rain, not so much the hail and the wind and the lightning and all of that. So here's what Future Tracker says through Sunday morning. 2-4 inches of rain. Wow, that's going to be a problem. So we have to sort of get ready for this. Here's the little frontal system. Here's the first band of rain that'll develop. It'll be through here tonight. Then that goes away, and then the frontal system wobbles around, gives us additional shower activity, and a second surge of moisture should pass through Saturday night. By Sunday, a lot of that should be moving out of the area. We just got to get between here and there. Now, if you're in a flood-prone area, place that usually floods, you need to start thinking, okay, how do I get the water off my property, or where do I park my car so that it's in good shape? So thunder arriving tonight through Friday and Saturday, 4 to 6 inches of rain. Little bit of clearing by the time we get to Mother's Day, let's hope, because otherwise we're going to have to be taking mom to eat inside, not outside, because it's going to be really hot and steamy.